Welcome back, Classic Motors. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that continues to punch above its weight class in design, features, and overall value. Kia has been on a roll lately, and the latest Sport is no exception if you're considering a versatile SUV with a modern edge. Stay tuned because the 2026 model has a lot to offer. Let's start with the first thing everyone notices: the exterior. The 2026 Sportage keeps the bold, futuristic styling introduced in the last redesign, but with a few refinements. At the front, Kia's signature tiger nose grille remains prominent, flanked by sleek boomerang-shaped LED headlights that now come standard across most trims. The front bumper has been slightly tweaked for a sharper, more aggressive stance. Along the sides, the sculpted lines continue to give the Sportage a muscular yet refined profile. Wheel options now range from alloys on the base model to stylish 19-inch gloss black alloys on the X-Pro Prestige trim. Around back, you get a cleaner tailgate design with a full-width light bar and a more integrated spoiler, giving the Sportage a sportier finish. Moving inside, Kia's commitment to upscale interiors is very apparent. The cabin is quiet, refined, and filled with thoughtful touches. The 2026 Sportage features a dual-screen setup that stretches across the dash, a 12.3-inch digital gauge, cluster paired seamlessly with a 12.3-inch infotainment display. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on all trims, which was a big request from previous buyers. Soft touch materials cover most touchpoints, and higher trims come with quilted leather, ambient lighting, and heated and ventilated front seats. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with plenty of legroom and rear vents, plus available heated rear seats. Cargo space remains one of the best in class, with over 39 cubic feet behind the second row, easily expandable with the 60/40ths split folding seats under the hood. The 2026 Sportage offers a few engine options depending on your preference. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine makes 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not a performance beast, but it's smooth, quiet, and efficient, with a combined fuel economy rating of around 28 mpg for front-wheel drive versions. For those looking for more punch and efficiency, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid models return in 2026, both featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor. The hybrid produces 226 horsepower, while the plug-in version jumps to 261. The plug-in Sportage offers an estimated 34 miles of all-electric range, great for daily commuting without using a drop of gas. Ride quality remains a strong point. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps with ease, and the steering is precise enough for confident cornering. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup and comes standard on the rugged X-Line and X-Pro trims. Speaking of which, the X-Pro model gets additional off-road enhancements, including all-terrain tires, upgraded shocks, and drive modes tailored for snow, mud, and sand. It's not a hardcore off-roader, but it's more than capable of handling weekend adventures. As for pricing, the 2026 Kia Sportage starts around $28,000 for the base LX trim and goes up to about $39,000 for the fully loaded X-Pro Prestige. The hybrid models add around $2,000 to $4,000 depending on the trim, while the plug-in hybrid tops out just above $43,000. Considering the tech, safety features, and refinement on offer, it's still one of the best values in the compact SUV segment. So that's the 2026 Kia Sportage: bold styling, a premium interior, multiple powertrains, and a price tag that doesn't break the bank. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or tackling light trails, the Sportage is more versatile than ever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Classic Motors.